Hello guys, welcome back. If you want to transfer contact from iCloud to Google Contact on your iPhone, how can you transfer your contact? So I will explain clearly today. So first you need to go ahead to your setting on your iPhone. And what you need to do is click your profile. You can see your Apple account, iCloud and more. So just click it. And what you need to do now is scroll down until you see the iCloud. So in the second section, I'm gonna see the iCloud, right? So just click iCloud. And what you have to do is, if you want to transfer your content from iCloud to Google Content, you need to sync your contact first. So make sure contact is turned on. So try to click the COs and you will be able to see your contact. So I already turned on my contact. So make sure you always turn on your contact to transfer. So after checking in your iCloud, what you need to do is you need to go ahead to your App Store. So go ahead to App Store here. So in your App Store, what you need to do is search for Google Content. Okay, so here you can see, right? So if you want to sync your content from your iCloud to your Google, you need to download this one first. Actually, I think you can also go through website, but here I'm gonna show you how to use by an application. So you can across all your account like Google, iCloud, Outlook, Yahoo, and A-Chain. You can also use for these application as well. So here, this is your Google Content app, and you need to sign in with your Apple IDs and your Apple accounts. So here we're gonna try to log in first. Okay, so here in your contact section is limited. So if you already give to full access, you will be able to see in your content zine, it will automatically allow to you to sync your content from your iCloud. So this is your account, right? So if you want to account to sync, just sync your account and your Google your content from your iCloud will be transferred to your Google. So as I mentioned before, if you're using Safari, you can also go through Google Content and you can sync easily. So here you need to choose your account iCloud here, and if you want to show content in first, or not, if you want to rename, if you want to select content, just click it and you can also choose your content as well. So by doing that, you can sync your your content from iCloud to Google Content on your iPhone, guys. I hope this gonna help you a lot if you want to transfer like this. So that's your guide. Thank you so much and see you back.